Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up MySQL for Windows side version. And it's not as simple as the Mac version, because on Mac you just literally install just MySQL. But for Windows you also are going to need, if you're going to be doing any kind of developing like me, you're also going to need like Apache and PHP and stuff like that. So it's going to be an all-in-one package that we're downloading, and it's super easy to install. It's going to be www.wampserver.com/en for English. And we're going to click on under here, download the latest release of Wamp Server 2, and download Wamp Server 2.0i. And you're going to go ahead and download that. I don't need to download that because I've already got it installed. And once you download it and install it, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to leave the SMPT server to localhost, and for the email, you're just going to leave it as it is for you at your domain. So I'm not going to download that. Now, before we move on, one thing I'm going to let you know is the root folder for Wamp is going to be under the C drive, local disk, Wamp, just right there, under www. This is the root folder for Wamp. Now you need to know that because when you're testing things like PHP, like me, this is where Wamp is going to look through to test it. Because you can't just test like PHP server-side code, because you need a testing server, and that's what MySQL is used for. So just to let you know, it's under www, under Wamp, under the local C drive. Alright, with that being said, once you've got it installed, go ahead and start it. Let's come over here to wampmanager.exe. Alright, now, on your little toolbar, there's going to come up with this little half semicircle looking thing, and it'll go red, yellow, and then back to white. So mine's white, so that means it's done. And you're going to click on it. Not right click, just regular click. And it's going to come up with this little menu. What we're going to click on is MySQL, which is right above Quick Admin. And we're going to click on MySQL Console. And that should come up. It's going to ask you for a password. And if you've never installed MySQL before, you're not going to have one. If you do, if you have, it's probably going to be that password. So we're just going to go ahead and enter mine. Oops, that's not the right one. Alright, there's the password for me. Now, we're going to set a password. So we're going to say use MySQL, update, all caps, user, set, all caps, P, capital P, password, equal to, all caps, password, and then an open bracket. And that's not the curly brace next to the P, that's actually Shift 9. And whatever you want your password to be. I'm just going to put password here. Hit enter again. And then we're going to type all caps where user equal to single quote root semicolon. So look at that, check that out, make sure it looks exactly like mine. Then you're going to hit enter. And it's going to come back and say query OK, 2 rows affected. And what that's done is change your password. So you can just go ahead and type quit. It's going to exit out of command prompt there. Go back to the Wamp thing, click on it, and right here above put online, where it has all the little services things, hit restart all services. And it should do the same little color changing thing. Wait for it to go back to white. Click on it again, go back to MySQL console, bring that up, and if it worked, go ahead and try hit enter again. Bam, it just goes away. It's telling you access is denied, you can't do that. So, that's pretty much it, and just rewind if you mess something up, and thanks for watching.